درود دوستان. This is the Persianaire and confession time. I totally forgot to teach you about a super important part of Persian nouns, and that's collective nouns. Let's fix that right now. So what's a collective noun in Persian? A collective noun is a word that is singular in form, but it refers to a group of people or things, like a family, team, or nation in English. And just like in English, sometimes in Persian we treat them like one unit, and sometimes like many individuals, depending on the verb. Now let's take a look at a few examples. خانواده مهم است. خانواده مهم است. The family is important. Here we need to use singular form of the verb. The second example, خانواده اش اینجا زندگی می کنند. خانواده اش اینجا زندگی می کنند. His family live here. His family live here. So we need to use a plural form. And the last one, خانواده ات چه زبانی صحبت می کنند؟ خانواده ات چه زبانی صحبت می کنند؟ What language does your family speak? And as you can see, we need to use a plural form of the verb. So even though خانواده looks singular, we often need to use plural verbs to reflect the people inside the group. And here you can see other common collective nouns in Persian. مردم, مردم, people. گروه, گروه, group. mellat, mellat, nation. And team, yes, it's an English word that is team as well. Just remember, when you want to highlight the group as a whole, use a singular verb. But if you are talking about the members of the group, switch to plural verbs. And that's your quick fix on collective nouns in Persian. And please don't forget to drop a comment on this question. Do you treat family as one or many in your own language? So wait for my next videos on Persian nouns. And till then, خدا نگهدار.